Hello, welcome. Today we are going to be looking at characteristics of good census. We said that census is the actual numerical count of the number of people or the number of nationals that are residing in a given country. When you go to any country, you have people that are living there. So when you take the head count, you count them one by one to know the total number. Like in Nigeria here, we believe that we are, from the last estimation, we are about 140 million. By now, it should be around 180 million. So when you do the actual head count, to know the actual number, not estimation, then you're doing what we call census. So what are the characteristics of good census? How do you know that this census is done the right way? And people can say that this census is credible. They can accept the number. If they say it's 200 million, we say yes, it's actually 200 million. It's not an overcount, it's not an undercount. How do you know a good census? Number one, it must be conducted by the government of the place where the census is taken. If you're talking about census of Nigeria, it has to be organized by the government of Nigeria. When monitored, it's not going to be arranged by some government of some place. It has to be Nigeria conducting the census of Nigeria. You're talking about census of Ghana, it has to be the Ghanaian government conducting it. Now, it must be conducted at the same time, simultaneously throughout the country. Census has to be conducted at the same time, simultaneously throughout the country. You're not going to be conducting the census of Kano on Sunday and you're doing that of Lagos on Thursday. It doesn't work that way. If you're taking census of the whole country, do it simultaneously. You're starting on Monday in Kano as well as in Lagos, in Anambra, in Port Harcourt, in River State, everywhere at the same time. It must be done at a regular interval. 10 years in Nigeria we had it must be done at a regular interval. You do census normally after every 10 years. Census is normally conducted after every 10 years. That should allow for proper preparation and good results. It must involve physical counting of people rather than by proxy. It must involve physical counting of people rather than by proxy. You cannot go to a house to take the head count for the people in the house and you say you're counting Ada, Obi, and they will not tell you that Richard had gone to work. No. Richard has to be there. Take the counting for the people that are physically there. It has to be physical. It doesn't have to be by proxy. Somebody doesn't have to represent somebody. Take the physical count. It must involve experts who are of high integrity. Whenever you're doing census, you have to get the services of experts, people that understand what it means to get census, people that know how to do the work, people that know what is expected of census, people that will pick the right information. Census data can be used in national planning and in many other things, in budgeting. So it has to be done by people that really understand what census is all about. So these are the characteristics of good census. Every census has to be done on physical individuals. You don't go and overcount. Do it the right way. It has to be done by experts. It has to be done after every maybe 10 years interval, mostly. It has to be conducted by the government of the place. And it has to be done genuinely. So when this is done, then you know that you're having a good census. Thank you. We're going to stop here. Continue much later.